welcome to my channel again. And today, whatever day it is, we're gonna do a haul. And it's not a quick haul, it's the longest haul in the world. Because look at that and look at that. So that's mine and that's Irma's. You know, it's you know guys, if you come like no, I have to do it again. Okay. Well, Thailand is the best place for shopping, I guess so, because like it's so trendy and then it's so cheap. It's very cheap, and like all the the clothes or the like that is like new trend, like new uso, that some uso things here that is not uso yet in Philippines because they're like #1 in uso. So yes, unsa man ang usuhan na ba? Okay, so, good luck. We're gonna start. Okay, the first one is these shoes. This is so cute. This is 100 baht. Okay, I'll put the description down below how much is the conversion of that. But this is so cute. I like this. Okay, dali on gid besh kay dagan kay besh. So dagan kay besh. This one is really cute. It's like a top and then a transparent or whatever. I don't know how to call it. I don't know fashion. So this one is 80 baht, which is so cheap, very cheap. This one, okay, another dress. Yes, this dress like that. It's very cute. I like it. And then they have the like this here like that. Then like this here like this, like that. I don't know fashion at all. So it's 100 baht for this one. And I got this one is like in Overrun siya nga shop. It's like a H&M. Yeah, H&M. I don't know if you can see it, but this is H&M. Yeah, I have like this na before, color white, but I think I give it away. And then this one na siya, and I'm not sure ever nga like that. So yeah, you have to wear shorts for this kaya kita nimong, you know. So the next one, kani gyapon sa Overrun gyapon na siya. Oy, that one was 60 baht. Okay, so okay, this one is also 60. It's like for beach, like because I'm going back to Indonesia, I'm gonna wear this one. And this is also H&M. Yes, so I love it. It's 60 baht. This one is very cute top, which is ano ni siya, yeah, 80 baht. This one is 80 baht. Hindi na ako magdaldal pa sa mga ever. This one is a white top with more transparent siya there, like that, yung side, both side, the front and the back. This is 60 baht. And this one is so uso here, guys. Like nasa mo inanhimit ang mga ever like that here. As in everywhere we go, daghan kay mga uso nga inanhinga. Nasa bandage or cushion. So we got pair like this. This is the short. And then this is the top of that short. So this is, how much is this? 150 for both. Yes, I remember. So it's really cute, and she got one too in the color pink. So this is really cute. I like it. On this one, I've been looking for this design the whole of my life. Diba? Sakto ba? Sakto ba ko English? Okay. So I like this one kay nakita na ko ni sa Instagram ni Tony Gonzaga, and I really wanna have this one, and I found it here for 100 baht. So why not? I've been looking for this design. So katong wala pa nabuntis si Tony, so nakadugay na ko siya gipangita. But nakita ko siya sa Thailand, so I was so happy. Okay, this one is just like a top nga, dili top ka ng murag sa mani shoulder so whatever. And kani siya kay cute na good guys, so I got it. It's only 100 baht, so why not? It's so cute. And this one is so uso here as well, like this. See the bandage again. So about whatever story is cool or whatever, I don't know. But tawag na. This one is a back, no, the front and then the back. And imo din siyang suot ani, like isulod nimo ani murag transparent nga pagbuha sa isda. So something like this. So isulod nimo siya dire sa sulod kaning top. So it's really cute, and it's only 100 baht for both. Like what? Okay, and then this one is cute one as well because it's like a top, and then na siya inanhi kanang ano ba sa tawon pull over sa ba? Dili pull over, something like this, something like that. And then muni siya imong itap sa niya pareha sa love color. So this is only 70 baht, like it's so cheap. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do a take 2. Wait. Okay, girl. ang dami na besh. Ang dami na besh. Yapin ako this video. Okay, the next one is this one. I regret to, kanang, na-regret ko nga ako nang ikuha kay it's so dako to me. Pang party ko tani. Like, yeah, I will adjust it, like, maybe I will tie it here or something like that. Maybe I need the boobs so that it fits me. Something like that-ish. But this is really nice, like, if I go perform or whatever, and go disco or whatever like that. So, the next one is, oh, that was 100 baht. So, okay. And this one is very uso here, like very uso. This one is like nasa yung mga ever nga inanhi, and then like that, nasa sa pikas. And I forgot how much is this. I think it's 150. No, pila ganin eh? To ingon sila nga medium ka. 150, I think. 130, okay, 130, okay, Gora Bells. This one is 100. I like this color. It's rose gold, and then it has the, like, this here is the uso again, like so many flowers. And we got something like this also, so that we can put the like this in like that. We can put the like this in my other stuff. So we got something like this, like you can buy it for 30 pesos. No, 30 baht, sorry. Okay, the next one is this cute burlap top. This is 150 baht, and then you can have, yeah, I already wore it. You can check my my Facebook, and like that. So ana siya. It's 150 baht, so cute. Okay, this one I got Marshall swimsuit sa dyan. Okay, this is so, see, ilang mainan higod, oh, grabe yung kasanan, usod yung kay dari. So, nasa siya pair, like this. So, it says forever or something. Woo, boys, don't look. Okay. So I have black as well. I wore this already. You can check my, oh my gosh. You can check my Facebook if you want to, to like that, to check, whatever. And another short, no, that was a 100 baht each. So, 200 sa pair. So, 200 siya. And this one is, pila gani ini, uy. Pila mo ni. I forgot also how much is this, but this is so cute. I think it's 199 baht. Or, yeah, 199. 199, yeah. 199, nagkatugali mo kay na ilan, ha?
In Pattaya?
I think it's 199. I can't remember. Okay. And this one is 150, I think. Yeah, I think 150. So, na siya mga design nga like that, guys. And this one like this also. So, it's really, really cute. She got one as well.
That's the wholesale one?
Wholesale, yeah. That's why it's 150. So, you have to pay 250 if one, but the wholesale 150. So, it's really good deal. So next one is this one, the same colors as the same style as my rose gold, and I like this because of the flower. The next one is Pattaya City top or whatever. So this is like 70 ringgit, and yeah, okay. And this one 100, not ringgit, but okay, that's 100, not that 70 baht. And this one is 100 baht. This is just cute, short, whatever. I wore this already. And then this one, I wore this already as well. This is 200 baht. It's our first day, so we were so irihis. We just bought everything. We did not check. Like, we found this in Simi Divisoria, and it's like 100 baht or less than 100 baht for this. And then we were in a hurry the first day to get this thing, and it's 200. Like, we're so like that. So, and then next one is I got this bag. This is 100 baht. It's so party bag. I like it. Wag kang ganyan, besh. Okay lang, besh. Nakita ka na nila, besh, kanina pa. And I got this as well because when we went shopping, and it's so hot. So, yeah. It's so hot, so I need it so bad. Like that. And, yes, I just need it because grabe ka igang. And, okay, part 3. Yes, part 3. So I got this slipper. It's so cute. Like, it's the cutest. Oh my god, they're so lovely. So it's like made in Thailand, and it's so cute. It's so uso. Like, not only here in Bangkok, but I've been to Singapore and everyone just wearing this even sa mag-shopping sila whatever. Di na siya pang kani siya sa una pang balay ra ni siya. Oh my god, nakat na siya. Ay wala. Kani siya una pang balay ra siya pero karon, my god, it's a fashion guys. It's a fashion. You should get this one. It's only 100 baht. So it's so cheap. Oh my gosh. And then this one is 100 baht as well. This I'm going to Laos, so I'm gonna wear this there, you know. And then I got some personalized. I put my passport in there, or my passport and boarding pass, something like that. And this one as well. It's a top. Yes, it's 100 baht for that. And I got another passport. I got one naman, but I pura na. So I got one whatever passport it is, and this whatever cover passport, whatever. Okay, and then the last one, I don't know if this is the last one because I did not check. I think akong nakapalit nga, wala na ako na show sa inyo, but maybe ano lang, mga small stuff lang. So okay, this is the last one. It's very cute because of the pom pom. You know, I love pom pom so much. If you've been following me for so long, so I love pom pom so much. So yes, I got some pom-poms. So this is 200 baht. So I like it. And then this one is siya mga inanhang aura beige. So stylish na siya nga bag. I like it in the shape. Ano dali. So I think that's all that I got. And yeah, I'll show you. I show you quick ever with her like that because she doesn't want to like that her in the camera. She's too shy. I'm so baga dagway, so it's fine with me. I'm baga dagway, so it's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna like show you what she got as well. So just sneak peek because, you know, well, she got more than me. This was Irma's haul, but she's like, oh yeah, that's really cute. I like this so much. I love so much. Good. Like this one is so cute. Oh my god, so girly. Let's put it here so that klaro jud siya. Look at that, guys. It's like 300 baht for that. It's so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait that she wear it and then put in Instagram or something like that because she has tutoy man good and I don't have. So I can't wear this thing. Okay, that's really cute. I like that. This one, she got one of this. I got one of this as well, but I bought it in Thailand as well. Okay, this one is very cute. I like it. This one, look. O ipanglabay na ginya besh ang iyang mga kuan kay daghan na kay tanan. And this one katong transparent ka para sa isda, guys. Nagpalit gyapon siya na. And nagpa-check Pattaya City katong para sa ako. And this one, I love it. Like mo ni iyang napalit nga favorite kay nako nga grabe jud kay nga. Nagpalit ako na ni na isa gusto sa ko na niya ko na usara man ka buok. My god. Okay, and then this one is so cute. Look at that. And then the bag though, this is so cute as well. I like this. I like this bag. I think I like tanan nga napalit na mo. Wa ko na isa rang napalit na ko nga di ko ganahan katong bling bling kay dako siya. So this one, oh, na siya napalit like this. I don't know. Daghan kay besh. And this one is really cute as well. Yagi po nang napalit. This one. And this one I like. She wore it already. I will leave the link below of her Instagram or whatever. If you wanna check. If you wanna check her. So this is like murag bali man ni besh. Oh, bali lagi. So muna siya na iyan ning na wear. And yeah, katong namis Pattaya. And then this one, I don't know. Wala lagi kita daning iyan ning napalit. Usay mo guys kay magkuan mi magsigiya mi ba. Magbuwag-buwag mi kay ni usay dito ganahan ang kanin di ganahan. And muna siya guys iyang napalit para sa ako katong uso-uso nga inana diri sa side. So yeah, that's the pink one. Yang napalit sad na siya. And mga whites lang ni siya nga shirt. And I'm so saba. And this one stop lang siya nga na siya like that. Na siya like that. So many like that. Then kani mga nagpait siya Thailand na shirt. Yeah, wala ko yung napait nga sa pasalubong kay I'm not going back to Philippines. So, ako nagpalit. And this one is, what's this man? Oh, t-shirt as well, pasalubong for her brothers. And this one, oh, we got this in kuan katong akong overrun. Katong over one. And then the funny thing about this one is like it's a kids wear. 10 to 11 years old. Oh, gamay kay mi besh. And then this one is para pasalubong sad. This one is for pasalubong. Hala, wala ko kabong nagpalit ka ani. Asa ka kapit ani?
Katong na ay ko ka sa
Nice ka ayo. Pila man ni? 200. It's so nice. Like look at guys. The shirt. See, para sa iyong brother. So cute. Very nice. Okay, ato ta sa mga dresses like oh my god, the dresses. Grabe kay besh yung mga napalit nga dress. This one is so cute. Like look at that dress. Yes. And then this one as well. Yeah, look at that dress as well. Then this one is the cutest. See, look at that. So ang mga dress guys is 199 baht. So this is so cute. Cute sa guys siya, diba? And this one is my favorite nga. Ako siyang giingnan nga kana. My God, get that one because it's so cute. So, nasya inanha. And nasya inanha. Then nasya inanha dari sa side. So, it's really so trendy. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Hindi rong huna-huna on this. Kaya mga kuan dari mga trendy kaya mga baligya dari sa Thailand is like, if you wanna go for shopping trendy, just go to Thailand. So cute. So this one I like. Oh my god, this is so cute. Na siya mga XX siya. She loves XX. Ganon sig mga kanang mga dari kanang sa tops. Like this one is XX again, and then the other one that I showed you. This one tube daw ni siya. Tube daw ni siya. Pagpa-tube daw na siya dire, and then na siya like that, and malaan Curtis yung dere merg na siya like that. I don't know guys, I'm sorry guys, I'm so bad speaking. So many like that in my vlogs. And this one is selfie. Nagpalit siya selfie. This one is really cute. Nagkapalit sad ko actually, but I don't know where is it. Nagpalit sad ko og choker, may nga duha pink and white. So yeah, she got some choker. She likes choker. Yeah, she likes it. Me sometimes only. Sometimes kung feel lang na ako. So this one is another choker, and this one is the white. I got one like this as well. I got one like that, and then the party choker, and she got the real techniques. I told her it's the best because nice UK siya, as in besi na siya besh. Yeah, besi na siya kay mag-economy. Tawarag mo cellophane. Wala talaga ng cellophane, and then ang iya sad, ay ang ako sad cellophane. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's end this gulo. Oy, I got this one on the eye. This one, guys. 100 baht. So okay.
Guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you really want to like shopping, like if you want trendy clothes and mga nice kayo nga, mga trendy kayo nga, mga nice kayo. Mga whatever nga nice. And actually this one is as well sa overrun 60 baht. This the dress that I'm wearing now. So yes, thank you for watching sa akong haul nga taas kaayo mga taas isa. Wala na lang ginamog i-show gitanan kay wala na mag-describe tanan kay like so much. So we're leaving Thailand tomorrow. We're gonna miss Thailand. I love Bangkok and Pattaya like so much. Like we had so much fun. Like may pahuway kapoy kayo. So it's really like walay tulog, wala tanan, but we enjoyed so much, and we love it here so much. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you like. Okay guys, sa kataas sa haul na ko na hurot na ang akong memory. Hurot ng memory. So, again, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next vlog. Bye! Love you!